Good morning students, this is Junita Mukherjee once again in SS Public School giving you the last topic of the very last chapter, that is text to reduce the waste follows the 3 Rs and plastic a boon for curse or curse. So here the best way to reduce by practicing the 3 Rs, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce means we have to stop the use of the buying things which are which we really need them. When we only need them, then only you buy these things. Use fountain pen instead of ball pens. Use both sides of the paper. Remember, the most efficient ways to manage the garbage is to reduce in generation. Reuse the old items, make new materials. Reuse small jars and bottles to keep stuff in the kitchen. Reuse plastic bags and bottles. Use old cloths to make handkerchiefs, dusters, etc. Recycle the materials such as glasses, plastics, aluminium can be recycled. Produce new things. In the government agency, we are also recycling the things. It helps in reducing waste. Use kitchen waste to make the manure by composting. Collect sewage to produce biogas. Papers can be recycled and it is a biodegradable material. By recycling papers, we can save the tree and the tree is not being cut off in this particular process. These can be recycled, the papers can be recycled, and we are able to do the recycling of the paper very well. And the recycled papers are there in the market for further use, and we are aware of it very well. And this is prevention of deforestation. So these trees, which is a major environmental problem, cutting of trees which are the major environmental problem here, we can save the papers writing on both sides of the sheets, and thus we can reduce this particular process of this use of paper. Now activity number third, to make a vermicomposite in the garden, you make a vermicomposite by digging a pit their feet deep in a cool corner of a garden. Place a net or a chicken mess at the bottom of the pit and put biodegradable waste like leaves, fruits, vegetables, tea leaves, papers, etc. into it. Do not add pickle, oil, meat, vinegar, plastic coating, paper, etc. So as diseases causing organism starts growing in it. Sprinkle water into it and make it wet. Put some red worms into the pit and cover the pit loosely with a gunny bag and a layer of grass. The red worms have an organ called gizzard which they use to grind this food. They add powder. Then you can add powder eggshells to the waste, as they would help the red worm to grind the food faster. Observe the contents of the pit after 1 month. You will find loose soil-like material. This is called vermicompost. Okay. So now activity number 4 also is there. So make recycled papers by using old newspapers, magazines, notebooks, etc. Tear them into small pieces and put them in a half tub of water for 6 to 7 hours. Take the pieces of the paper out of water and make a thick paste of it. Spreads this paste on the wire mesh fixed to a frame. The water will drain off through the mesh. Remove the paste from the frame carefully and spread it on the newspaper and keep it in the sun. Put some weights on the four corners of it. Does not curl from the edge. Let it dry. You can decorate the recycled papers like colors, flowers, petals, and can be put into paste before spreading it. Now plastic, a boon or a curse. So plastics have become very much popular in day-to-day life. We know it very well, as we have many things made for plastics: buckets, pen, bottle, bag, containers, etc. Indeed, life seems without plastic is very difficult. The use of plastic is not a problem. The problem arises due to the excessive use and the disposal of plastic waste. Plastics have many harmful effects. Food packs or solids in plastic webs and containers may sometimes prove to be harmful and unsafe to consume. On being burned, some types of plastic release harmful gases which can cause health problem. Most plastics are non-biodegradable and hence this disposal is a major environmental issue. Food stored in plastic waste or roadsides provides harmful to animals and eat the bags along with the food in them. Animals can even die in the plastic bag as swallowed. If those plastic bags are swallowed. Plastic bags enter drain and sewage system causing them to choke, resulting in overflowing of water on the road. How to minimize the overuse of plastic? When you go to shop, carry a cloth with your bag. Say no to the plastic bags. Carry your own cloth bag. Do not accept stuffs in plastic bags give to you by shopkeepers and tell them tell them the ill effect of plastic so that they also stop using them. Reuse plastic items like bottles and boxes. Do not store eatables in plastic bags. Do not throw plastic bag carelessly here and there. Spread awareness in school and in neighborhood about the ill effect of plastic by conducting campaigns and talks. So this is how the plastics are very much harmful to us. We are using plastics in a more and more quantity and we are not able to understand why the plastics are not being degradable because it is being made by polyethylene. Polyethylene, ethane is there in the composition and to break this ethane particle from this particular plastic is very much almost impossible for the biodegradable waste. So it is considered to be the non-biodegradable waste and it is impossible to break this particular thing. So plastics are considered to be harmful for our environment. So use less number of plastic bags, use cloth bags for your shopping purpose so that we can cut the use of the plastics in our day-to-day life and be aware of it to you, not only to you and also to your environment. It sounds interesting that if you say something to the other people about the awareness of this plastic bags, it will be a great thing for us to inform others too about this particular plastic bags and it is and all together we will have been able to have we will be able to in the future to, means we will be able to stop this plastic bags in the future and it's a must. So looking forward for question answers in this particular chapter of waste. It's a very small chapter and we will be continuing with the question answers and exercise questions in between the chapters. Till then take care and please do read the chapter very well. Thank you students.